Welcome! In the next part of tutorial we are continuing with transform to D. So let's see where are we with the code. We have few variables. One of them are transform to D variable. This variable have rotation and position defined with vector 2. We also use one function on timer timeout created with a timer, and we use our variables with this transform to D to influence rotation and position. In this part of code we increase vertical position and then we set the transform with this new variable. Also we use a label with the text to see what is happening on the screen. So when we test it, what we see movement in a horizontal side. If we want to influence rotation, we will influence this D variable. But I don't want to influence too much, so I will say if D is less than 0.3, we will have increase. Increase will be happening with this pace. So 0.01 for increasement till 0.3 or 0.3. And let's see what is happening. So we have rotation till one moment and then rotation stop. We can also influence some other variables like epsilon, and I will leave this to you. This can be all about 2D transform, but you can do many things with this. You can, for example, use previous code with D and turn variable to change movement to one or other side. For example, we use turn variable here to be true, and we will say and turn. Also we need what is happening with this variable, so we will use this, and we will see rotation is going till 0.3, and we will say if D is $29, turn will change. And if we need to set parameter here. This can be tricky as always, but I will try. And D so we have turn here, so changing of the rotation side, and here rotation until this variable. But we will see variable on a screen and we will know what's happening. Oh, good. Good. We have movement to one and other side. This can be changed with this, with change of this variable, but we can also say I forget the last variables. Maybe minus null. Yes, minus 0.3. Good. Minus 0.3. Minus 0.3. Minus 0.3. So, if turn equal false, and D minus 0.3 and D I will try with equal minus 0.29 turn equal true. One side, other side, and stop. We have this previously. I definitely need to solve it, and this will be solved in a next lecture. So for now, this is it, and watch next lecture. I will solve this problem and you will have complete movement for one to other side, or you can see one of previous videos. This is solved in previous videos, very easy, and you can implement it. Bye bye, see you.